Hey guys, I have a special video for you. Sorry about Miss Feisty's whining and crying. Here is the baby bird from the nest that I have in my other video. I'll show you the nest. It's here. I was in the kitchen cooking and I could hear the baby crying, so I'm like, oh, something's going on. Today, plus Mr. Snake was getting pecked by like 40 birds in the yard. He was trying to come up into the jasmine. It just goes to show you all different kind of birds, blue jays and Florida Mockingbirds, which is what he is, and mommy, and of course daddy is. They were all working together to keep this little guy safe. Look how cute he is. Trying to get a little closer. It's so adorable. This is like my favorite thing ever. I can sit out here and watch the babies for hours. But so far I've only seen one. I think we only got one this year. Yep. I don't think he's ready to fly yet. He's not. His wings are so little. I don't know if he fell out of the nest. I don't know what's going on. But mom keeps coming over here and feeding him. Here she comes. I hear her. That's her like growl. They make those beautiful songs. Like they can copy any. Florida Mockingbirds are so cool. They copy any bird song. Like, but when they're mad, you know it. Just so sweet. It's getting ready to storm. And get one little close up of him. There he is. I wanted you to hear his little peep, but he only does it for mom. Not this mom. He's just chilling. He knows me. It's so funny. The birds, they're not scared of me. They don't worry about me. I mean, the nest is, this is my front porch. This is the jasmine I planted. It's one plant. I know it looks like a jungle, but I don't care. And there's the nest. It's really cool. They have all kinds of pieces of my rocking chairs, my chair cushions, everything in that nest. We have some naughty birds, but anyway, there he is again. I wanted you to see his mom. She was feeding him. I was getting a great video, and then of course, you know, my phone cut out. Maybe if I sit here, kind of back the way she'll come. But I hope he learns to fly. I do not know how he's going to get back up in the nest. Okay, let me get one little close up of him again. His eyes, he's falling asleep. Oh, sweet. Alright, little dude. There's mom. I see her moving around. Let me get back. Unless it's another baby. No, that's mom. Look, hear him? So cute. There she goes. Oh, he chirped. Say something for everybody, little guy. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys do your thing. It's starting to rain. I don't want to interfere. Bye. So cute. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I know I will. I'll be watching this bird.